This video will provide guidance on the application of NATROX O₂ with complementary products. NATROX O₂ can be utilized with other advanced therapies including skin substitutes, skin grafts, and collagen-based wound therapies. NATROX O₂ can also be used under compression and with contact casts. To begin, the wound will need to be properly prepped. If you have not already done so, please view Prepping the Wound in this video series before proceeding. Starting on a clean surface, apply the collagen, skin substitute, or skin graft. It's important to note that these go directly on the wound bed before the NATROX O₂ ODS is applied. It is not recommended to place the ODS on top of any contact layers. Next, remove the ODS from the sterile packaging and place it over the collagen, skin substitute, or skin graft with the shiny beige side up. Secure the ODS tubing with a small piece of tape on the skin, paying special attention to the direction of the tubing. Position the tubing to run toward the waist. For wounds with heavy exudate or drainage, or wounds that require a wound filler, place these products over the ODS. Examples are alginates or hydrofibers. Next, apply any appropriate semi-occlusive dressing over the ODS. The dressing choice is indicated by the amount of drainage and wound characteristics and is directed by the provider. We suggest covering the ODS with an adhesive bordered semi-occlusive foam dressing. For application of NATROX O₂ with compression therapy, refer to the venous leg ulcer with compression application video in this series. Change dressings as directed in the IFU for the dressing or when leakages strike through of exudate or drainage is noticed. The goal is to eventually only need to change the dressing once every 7 days. The ODS will need to be replaced with each dressing change. Slide a fully charged battery into the NATROX O₂ OG and confirm the green light is blinking. This indicates the device is working. The tubing should then be connected to the OG by twisting the lure lock clockwise. Be careful not to over-tighten. Secure any excess tubing with tape, a stockinette, or both. Place the NATROX OG in a place where the tubing won't get kinked. If using the holster, make sure the green light can be seen. For more information, please refer to the Using the Holster video.